Hey guys, what's going on? Today we'll be taking a look at my completed PC build. As you can see, I got a case from Deepcool. It's their CK560 model. Looks pretty nice. So what the front panel looks like here, we've got power, USB, mic, USB, LED, and a Type-C there at the end. Pretty nice stuff. I like the removable front panel. It's also cross-shaped. Here, get this open with one hand, kind of difficult. As you can see, also dust filter, also removable. It's magnetic, pretty nice stuff. You've also got magnetic thing up here. Pretty cool. Here's my actual PC now. As you can see, we've got it ready to run. Pretty much everything's set up there. Graphics card, CPU cooler, I/O shield installed, PSU installed, obviously. And let me show you some things here. Okay, that's the motherboard I got, and the graphics card, the RX 6600, and this is a B650 by AceRock. It's their lab mixer board, pretty nice stuff. That's the PSU I got by Corsair, the RM750. This is the CPU cooler I chose. It's by Thermalright, Phantom Spirit 120 SE RGB, pretty nice stuff. Kind of hard one-handed operation here. Just wanted to show you something pretty cool. Unlock your chill force. I think we certainly have it by going with this CPU cooler. Exactly what I was looking for. I was like, I'm missing something. This is the processor I got. Whoops. One-handed. Pretty difficult there. 7600X. Took a whole month or something, like from Black Friday. I literally just got it the other day. It's pretty okay for me. Not in a rush to build a PC. I was looking at a bunch of install media that other reviewers and PC builders posted. Pretty nice stuff. And all these accessories that I got. And a surge protector. You know, you got expensive electronics, and if you have frequent brownouts or blackouts or whatever, power surges, power outages, then I think it's probably worth. I only paid, like, I think it was on sale on Black Friday. I think I paid like $15 instead of 30 or whatever it was, some kind of discounted rate. Maybe they tricked me thinking I saved money, but it might be always the same price, but whatever. Shoddy black market tactics aside, I got some thermal paste just in case later on, like after 6 or 12 months, I might need to reapply some thermal grease, thermal paste, whatever you want to call it. I got a Wi-Fi kit from Intel because I just prefer Wi-Fi, you know, even though Ethernet is faster, whatever. I got this toolkit from Fantex. It's out of stock at the moment, but for $20 it was pretty nice. Oh, this is from my motherboard actually, sorry guys. Anyways, they give you a standoff tool, some other extra goodies here. The screwdriver is pretty nice. Let me take that out. Hard, I mean, it's my dominant hand, but take this out. Not damage the case. The case is very nice quality actually too. And we've got a flexible screwdriver. It's also magnetic. Let me, yeah, one hand, kind of hard to hold the phone there. Alright, let me just set this down. Almost next to impossible here. Okay, there we go. As you can see, it slides all the way out. Hopefully my phone doesn't drop from the table. It slides all the way out. Alright, let me just reinsert it here. Sorry for the camera angles. Don't have a professional setup. Okay, it slides all the way out. So when you need to, like, need mad reach, it's pretty good. It's also magnetic, so it really helps if you don't have, like, a set of tools. I thought, since I'm going to be going for a PC build, may as well just get a screwdriver here. It's magnetic. Pretty nice stuff. At the moment, it's currently out of stock, but it was like $20. Pretty nice stuff. It's adjustable here. You just hold it like this, and then it should, yeah, you can like pull it down there, and it has like a couple fixable positions indicated by the little ring thing there. It, like, locks into place and it will click. Pretty nice stuff. You got a lot of options for $20. I think it's pretty nice. There's some kind of flexible tool. I don't really use that. They've got an instructional sheet. Oh my god, this is gonna be like a whole video about the screwdriver set, but anyways, Fantex really makes some nice screwdrivers. Yeah, let me put that away. What else? We got our Wi-Fi thing by Intel. Yeah, I think it's pretty alright. I mean, I haven't powered on my build as of yet, but I think it's gonna work. I followed all the instructions to the T. We've got our case fans. I got, you get 3 pre-installed ARGB fans in the deep cool case here, as you can see. I don't really want to pop that open, honestly, but they're already pretty much all connected and ready to go. I think they're like connected to, they're like daisy chained and stuff like that. But they give you a 140 millimeter fan at the rear here. It's not ARGB, so I decided to go with that triple pack, as we were just looking at a second ago. And then I mounted the other 2 at the top here. Pretty good. I got it for like 15 bucks. I don't think you guys saw that. Oh, wait, what am I doing? Probably show you that way. Something like that. Yeah, there's 1, there's 2. I think I did pretty alright for my first PC build. Hopefully I don't disgrace myself as The Verge did or something. Okay, and then I got a monitor since I'm coming from a laptop. And I don't have any monitors laying around. So I got this one. Also a nice Black Friday deal all in all. I think I spent around like $1,000 maybe for all this stuff. Pretty nice, I guess. I could have maybe cut some corners. Maybe I could have went on the AM4 platform, even though it's kind of dead. Or maybe I could have gotten a cheaper graphics card, because I'm not really going to be playing AAA games in 4K. I don't really care about that. Maybe if you do. Coming from a laptop again, guys. Anyways, alright, that'll be all for today. Have a nice day. Happy holidays.